Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Ollie. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, too.
Where are we?
We are at school.
Yes, we are at school. We are in our classroom.
This is our English class.
What are we doing?
We are learning English.
We are learning new words today.
We are also learning new sentences.
Who is that?
That is our English teacher.
Our teacher is kind.
The teacher helps every student in the class.
Who are they?
They are our classmates.
The students are listening carefully.
The students are answering the teacher's questions.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do. I like school very much.
I like school because I learn many new things.
School is a good place to learn.
Do you like English?
Yes, I do. English is interesting.
I like English because I want to speak with people.
I want to understand people, too.
Do you study English at home?
Yes, I study English every evening.
I read my English book every day.
I write new words in my notebook.
Do you practice English?
Yes, I practice English with my sister.
I practice English with my friends at school.
Practice helps us learn English better.
Do you do your homework every day?
Yes, I always do my homework.
Homework helps us remember new words.
Homework also helps us practice new sentences.
Why do we learn English?
We learn English to understand people.
We learn English to speak with people from different countries.
We learn English to read books, watch videos, and learn new ideas.
Learning English is useful.
Learning English is interesting.
Let's study together every day.
Yes, let's learn together and become better English students.